All right, hello everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Vince, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the fastest way to build a six-figure service-based business online or an agency. Now I know that this is like a pretty catchy title and all that, but all I want to talk about in this video is simplification and focus. So I talk with a lot of people who are my age and who want to go from 0 to 5K per month with their own business online, and the biggest thing that I think they face, the biggest issue they face is that they are all over the place, right? And this is what was holding me back personally for a long time as well. You know, if you're one of those people who have 5 different services that they offer in their agency, and then basically what you're doing is you're putting all your energy into 5 different things, right? The problem with that is that you can only become mediocre at 5 different things because you don't have infinite amount of energy. So instead, what you should do is basically focus in on just one service that you want to become really good at, and then put all your energy into that, right? Like if you do that, you're going to become a specialist at that one thing eventually, and that way you can demand much higher prices, you can get much better results for your clients, and overall you will have a lot better business because there won't be so much moving parts, right? It will be just one service. And then also another thing is, like, don't try to serve everybody in the world. Like, a lot of people think that by having multiple niches they can get more clients, but that is actually not the case. Like, the best thing you can do is just choose one group of people who want to help, whether that be, you know, gym owners or people who want to grow their, you know, soccer team or whatever that might be. Like, I don't, or if you want to work with only e-commerce people or course creators, like, it doesn't matter who you want to work with. Just choose one group of people and choose one problem that they have and then solve that, right? That is one way of simplifying your life. But also, it's not just your niche and just your service, but that alone is going to make such a big difference. Another thing is, like, don't think that you need to be doing like super advanced things every single day. You need to just find a simple daily routine that works for you personally, right? And just keep being consistent and keep getting stuff done every single day. And what I mean by that is, like, a lot of people have 50 different things on their to-do list every single day, and they can never get like anything done. So if you have more than like 3 things on your to-do list, then you're kind of like fucking up your whole day because you won't be able to get actual important work done. So only have like 2 or 3 things that you want to get done every single day and simplify down your stuff. So just keep sticking to the roots. So if you are at 0 or 1K or something like that, like, all you should be focusing on right now is client acquisition, so cold outreach, training yourself, so becoming better at sales, becoming better at the service you're delivering, and basically these 2 things are like the most important. And keep, you know, reaching out to new clients and keep getting good results for your current existing clients, so they will tell more people about you. So just keep your daily to-do lists as well very streamlined and very simple. Like, for example, have you know, on your to-do list, like, send out 50 outreaches, work on this client's campaign. Like, don't do 50 different things. You don't need a super fancy website to begin. You don't need like all the fanciest equipment and all that. Just focusing on really becoming good at sales, reaching out to as many people as you can, and getting good results for your current customers. So that is it. That's the only message I had for today. Just wanted to talk about simplification, and that should be the North Star in the way that you run your life and your business in general, because otherwise you're going to burn out and it's just going to be a hot mess for you if you try to do all the different things. So hope you guys enjoyed this message and this video. If you did, make sure to hit a like and subscribe to the channel for more. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more agency related content, as well as YouTube and content creation stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed again, and I will see you guys in the next one.